there will be much more clean. This rear trunk is much bigger and hello guys, welcome to Samuel Auto Parts. Today's video we are going to check the size of the car mats of the INEOS Grenadier. The paper on my hand is all the shape of the car mats, the front car mats and rear car mats. And we know the car is not coming with the car mats if you order from the factory. So we are thinking about to make some car mats, and the material will be the rubber one. And we can find that this car is already fixed the car mats. We can check on this side. For the rear side, we are making 3 pieces as one complete car mats, and I'm going to check the middle one and the rear right side and the rear left side. Now we are going to fix the rear trunk mats, because the original one from factory, which material is TPE material and it's very slip. So customers is more demand for the anti-slip one. So we have scan the data of the rear trunk, and now we make the shape of the paper to make sure the size is correct one. So follow my camera and check the rear trunk. This rear trunk is much bigger and we can put a lot of storage, and the car mat is much more useful because we can empty the dust and empty the some water. Sometimes when we go off-road and when we go camping with our pets like the dogs, and they can stay on the rear trunk by themselves, so the car mat is very necessary one. So check the material, check the size of the rear trunk one. So if you have any interest, just feel free to contact us, and I like the rear trunk design very much. The car mat is optation from the factory, and we have the both design, which is a rubber design and which is a wool mats. And this is much for the urban city. When you're driving just from the office to your house, there will be much more clean, but it's not easy to be washed, I think, because it's easy to be dirty. And for this one, we can find it's much better because it's anti-flat, and when we go off-road, this material is more useful. And for the design we're making, we can find the design drawing on this side. We are going to make 5-piece design car mats, which is rubber material and easy to be cleaning and easy to be washing, and it will be coming with the honey patterns and also the patterns of the A design. And this one is much cheaper than the factory optation, so I think there will be a good optation in the future. So if you have any questions or interest for the car pads, just feel free to contact our sales team and give the suggestion. So thank you very much for your watching today, and just looking forward our new products, new accessories in the near future. Thank you so much for your watching, and see you next video. Bye bye.